We are Urvi and Utsav, and in this episode of Bonkers Note, let's visit India's first UNESCO World Heritage City of Ahmedabad. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Bonkers Note.
Today is our first full day in Ahmedabad, and we will kick off the day with a walking tour of the old city.
We are at the Swaminarayan temple in Kalupur. Believe us, it's just 7:30 in the morning and people have gathered here in numbers to pray.
Swaminarayan Temple is the starting point of our Ahmedabad Heritage Walk. We will be doing a 2-kilometer walking tour from here to Zama Masjid. As we start our tour, we can see the city waking up, people getting ready to do their day-to-day activities.
We are just starting our Ahmedabad Heritage Walk, and this is a government initiative which can be pre-booked from the website, and there are two types of packages. One is the standard package and another is the luxury package. We have our guide with us who will be showing us through the old town, which seems like a maze to outsiders like us. We are moving through a secret passage to another pole. This was the secret route that was there to defend themselves from the enemy. That's interesting. Oh, by the way, the old city of Ahmedabad has many poles. Each pole is a group of families belonging to a certain community.
After walking for some time, now we are going to visit the Kala Ram temple. If you already don't know, Ahmedabad is the World Heritage City and India's first heritage city. Many buildings here in Old Ahmedabad has a logo signifying that. We are going through a narrow passage, maybe to the next destination, from one pole to another, and on the way we are learning about different communities that live here.
On the way, we saw many old heritage buildings with intricate wooden artworks and learned a lot about their way of living and culture.
If you move through Old Ahmedabad, you feel like it's a time-locked place. Moving through a place which has history in layers, construction in layers. Different civilizations have kept their symbols left everywhere in the corner of this city. Manikchak area, it's a very famous area and it's alive 24 hours. In the morning we have the temple which starts at around 4 a.m. and we have the goldsmith, the vegetables sellers. They're selling their stuff throughout the day, and in the night it turns into a bustling street food corner.
So we are standing in front of the Teen Darwaza that is very famous here in Old City, and as you can see, the street is just buzzing. So many people and so many shops and so much noise. Now let's go ahead and explore some more. Our walk ends at this Zama Masjid. It's a very nice and peaceful place, and we had a great experience with the Heritage Walk team. The person who was with us explained us so well, and I'm so glad I came to know so much about this city.
So our walking tour of the old city has ended, and from the Lal Darwaza we booked a Ola cab to go to the Adalaj stepwells. Let's see how the journey is going to be. It's costing us around 250 rupees to go there. We have just entered the actual spot of the stepwell. From here there is a ticket counter. We'll get our tickets and go in and visit.
We just came inside the stepwell, and as I can see, the sculptures on the pillars are still intact and they are quite intricate, and there are so many steps to get inside.
We have to descend down few steps to come to the actual step well. It's really cold out here, that's fantastic. And there are many people out here who have come to visit this place, though this is 15 kilometers away from the old town or the old Ahmedabad city, but still it doesn't stop tourists from coming here. It's actually very beautiful. I really like the pigeon, the way they are moving from one arch to another. I really love that. The stepwell and the steps which we have to follow to come to the stepwell, they are all actually picturesque.
The entry fee to enter here is only 25 rupees for Indian citizens, and as you can see, the upper part of this stepwell is completely flat. From here you cannot recognize that it is a stepwell, but once you go inside, the steps goes deep down, and on the bottom there is a water, and that is the actual well. On the outside of the stepwell there is this nice lush green garden area where people are coming and sitting and chilling by, and it's really a nice gateway.
So we just visited the stepwell. We saw that was really pretty and nice. From here we will be going to the Sabarmati Ashram. That's one of the major attractions in Ahmedabad why tourists come here to see the place where Gandhiji had spent so many years of his life. So much important political decision for shaping modern India was taken from that ashram. So we'll just hop on hopefully to another Ola and go there.
Got a cab, we booked a Ola, and it just came in 3 minutes, and we are off again to go to Sabarmati Ashram.
It's costing us around 250 rupees.
We have just reached the Gandhi Ashram. This is a place where Gandhiji has spent many years. Many tourists come to visit. Here there are many artifacts and souvenirs that Gandhiji himself have used in his lifetime.
Savarmati Ashram remains open till 5 p.m. in the afternoon, and the entry fee here is free. You can come anytime, sit here and relax. It's a very peaceful place, so let's go inside and explore.
So we are just sitting by the Savarmati River. I can hear the birds chirping and I can see the trees, the greenery and the river. It's fantastic. Gandhiji doesn't need an introduction. If you learn about the history of modern India, you'll definitely learn about Gandhiji. And the Savarmati Ashram has a special significance and it's a major tourist spot here.
Just nearby is the Law Garden, which is a very famous place for shopping. So let's go there and explore.
So this is the very famous Law Garden market. Let's go and explore. I am very excited to try what they have to offer. There are so many options. I'm just confused. Let me get around the market a bit, then I'll see what I can buy.
He tried to fit me into that, but even for the sake of vlogging, I am passing that one. I cannot carry that.
Till now, what I could see is there are so many skirts, blouses, menswear as well. This shop is so colorful, and there are so colorful dupattas here. There are bags. I did my first purchase. I purchased a bag, and this is a mobile bag. It looks so pretty. The bright yellow color really attracted me, and it costed me only 100 rupees. This is just jewelry heaven. So many kind of jewelries. I'm just confused what to take and what to leave.
So we stumbled upon this oxidized jewelry shop and we have spent almost half an hour there. We was in two minds whether to get one or not to get one. Finally we passed. Let's move forward now. Halfway through the Law Garden market, and here we have a tourist information center. They have given a toll-free helpline number, the website. I think there are a lot of initiatives that is being taken by the Gujarat government to promote tourism.
I explored half of the market and there are so much chania cholis and other traditional items. Other than that, there are tops, salwar suits, kaftans and jewelries. We have roamed around the market up and down about 3 or 4 times, and we even went to so many shops checking out different things. It's a great place to check out some colorful clothes and some different things. If you are into this, you will definitely enjoy it.
After spending some time in the northern market, we have taken another auto. Now we are going to our final destination, the Savarmati Riverfront.
Last stop for the day is Savarmati Riverfront. The entry is absolutely free. You can come here, sit, relax, see the birds flying by. It is just a magical feeling. So this is a very nice end to our day. We'll see the sunset from here and then we'll move back.
So, on that very beautiful note, and with this very beautiful sunset in Ahmedabad, we are going to end today's vlog. If you like our content, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Bonkers Note. And as always, we are ready to go bonkers with you again in the next one.